Punjab police have cleared the protest sites at Shambu and Kanori borders, removing barricades, vehicles and temporary structures that had blocked the highways for over a year. Police said the two highways would be now reopened soon after dismantling of structures and removing of trolleys and other vehicles that had been stationed by the farmers who've been protesting, remember, since February last year. Amid stringent police action, several farmer leaders including Sarwan Singh Pandher and Jagjeet Singh Dhaliwal were detained in Mohali while returning from a meeting with the central delegation. The police used bulldozers to remove concrete barricades erected at the Haryana-Punjab Shambu border to restrict farmers' movement further from where they were sitting on a protest over various demands. The Punjab Finance Minister, though, has defended the eviction of farmers from the protest site, saying the prolonged closure of the two highways had severely impacted industries and businesses. My colleague Sambhav Sharma has filed a ground report from the Shambu border. Let's quickly play it out.
Hello and welcome to NewsX. I am Sambhav Sharma. I am reporting from Shambu border, and I'll request my video journalist to pan the camera. Avinash, please pan the camera and show the live visuals here from the Shambu border. Bulldozer action is seen here. JCB machines are working here, and top farmer leaders including Jagjeet Singh Dhaliwal and Kisan Mazdoor Morcha head Sarwan Singh Pandher are being detained, and also when we have spoken to the DIG of Punjab Police, Harmanveer Singh Gill, he said he is very clear in his mind that he has clear orders that this border is to be cleared as early as possible. And here the Punjab Police and the municipality bulldozers are in action, and you can see the visuals here. I am at Shambu border, and also this action, this surprise action has happened here at Shambu border when the top a delegation of farmers leaders were returning after attending a meeting with the central government delegations in Chandigarh. They were detained and put in a makeshift arrangement. Over 1,000 farmer protesters are being detained, and they are put in a makeshift arrangement. And also Jagjeet Singh Dhaliwal, who is on his fast unto death, and he is also in detention in his ambulance. So these are the visuals from the Shambu border. You can see the arrangements made by the farmer protesters here at Shambu border, and there are no farmer protesters because a heavy police deployment is here. I'll request my video journalist to pan the camera and show you some inside visuals of these makeshift arrangements here, and they are vacant now as most of the top farmer leaders are detained, and this is the condition. And the DIG is very clear in his mind that he has specific orders to clear this whole area. Also, the police is removing the barricades at this. This is exactly the Haryana and Punjab Shambu border, and this is also called as the lifeline of Punjab, as this highway connects Punjab with the country, and especially to Delhi, because Delhi is some 212 213 kilometers from here, and this highway connects Delhi to Punjab. Test sites have been cleared after dismantling temporary structures, and they are also dismantling the temporary structures here and the stages. Also, they are removing the trolleys and other vehicles stationed by the farmers. See, these farmer leaders are protesting in support of various demands, including legal guarantee for the minimum support price. That is why many rounds of talks happened. And also one more thing, the Supreme Court also has said that earlier that its doors are also open for the farmer leaders, and also asked both the government and the farmer leaders to come together and talk about the issue. And that is why different levels of talks were open, And recently concluded was this Chandigarh meeting where Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan and also the Union Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal met the farmers delegation. And after which this action of Punjab police happened here at Singhu border, at Shambhu border. And see, these are the pictures from the Shambhu border. And see, this is how the Punjab police is clearing the protest site at Shambhu border, and also dismantling the temporary structures and stages at Shambhu border. With video journalist Avinash Shukla, I am Sambhav Sharma from Shambhu border for NewsX.
My colleagues have spoken exclusively, meanwhile, to political leaders on this big story.
पंजाब में किसानों के साथ जो एक्शन हुआ है उसके खिलाफ कांग्रेस के सांसद यहाँ पर प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं। हमारे साथ कांग्रेस सांसद और पीसीसी प्रेसिडेंट अमरिंदर सिंह वानी है। वानी जी, ये पोस्टर क्या दर्शाता है?
देखो, ये भगवंत मान जी की फोटो है, तो ये आम आदमी पार्टी का खंजर है। तो आम आदमी पार्टी के मुखिया ने खंजर किसानों की पीठ में मारा है, यानी कि किसानों ने सरकार बनाई। किसान का पुत्र आज किसानों को रात को इंटरनेट की सुविधाएं बंद करके मारने का काम कर रहा है, डराने का काम कर रहा है, उनकी पगड़ियां उछालने का काम कर रहा है। तो ये पोस्टर इसलिए बनाया है कि किसान के पुत्र से ये उम्मीद नहीं थी कि वो अमित शाह जी के इशारे पर अपने किसानों को मारने का काम करें।
आम आदमी पार्टी के सांसद ये कह रहे हैं कि ये केंद्र सरकार का मामला है, तो दिल्ली में जाकर प्रोटेस्ट।
भाई, 1.5 साल से आपने प्रदर्शन उनको वहां क्यों करने दिया? 1.5 साल पहले आप सो रहे थे, जब केंद्र का मामला था, तो आपने 1.5 साल से उनका समर्थन क्यों करते रहे? प्रदर्शन तो वो 1.5 साल से करते हैं। बेवकूफ मत बनाओ, आप छोड़ के आओ पंजाब के किसानों को दिल्ली बॉर्डर तक।
क्या मांग क्या है?
MSP की गारंटी दो, हमारी मांग है, और इलीगल जो हमारे किसान डिटेन किए उनको छोड़ो।
मनोहर केसरी।
Meanwhile, the Delhi government is mounting a